Welcome to RAThbun's channel. You know who I am. I'm Mr. G 1965. In this video, RAThbun is going to show us how to clean a K and N air filter and put it back on. So grab that cup of coffee and check it out.
I'm not going to let you back in. You just keep running all the way around the house and then coming back in here and looking at me like, come on, let's go back in the house. Watch. I'll let him in here. Come on, Hank. All right, there you go. He can't see where he's going. There you go. Go ahead. Come on. Yep, that's the right way. You're going. All right, now then, see? Watch. He'll come around and come back in that back door. That's my boy. He loves being with me and he wants to be the boss. Tell you what we're doing today. Today, we're cleaning a K&N filter. Yep. What I got here is a bucket full of Dawn soap. This is already cleaned out. And so I rinse it in there, Then I take this one and I blow it out like that. Then I take it up, and fill it up, slosh it, get all that out of there. There we go, let that go down through. And then we do it again like that. Now I do it a lot better because I'm using both hands. But that's what we're doing right now. And I'll show you something just a second. What'd I tell you? I didn't even take a minute to go around here. You're a good boy. You just want to be with Dad. Feels more secure. Okay, here's what I wanted to tell you. You ever taken one of these off? It's pretty simple. You take your air cleaner bolt out. Then you take out these little screws. Well, if you got a screw and it ain't coming out, like these little short ones are, all of a sudden this ain't coming out. Well, this is why. Because it's unscrewing out of your carburetor. So take all the ones off that will come out, the little shorties. And then you can pull that one off. Then you're going to have to stick it back in. Now I could take that apart probably with a wrench, Loctite that, and put that back in proper. I might do that. Probably will. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to set this out in the sun, get it good and dry. And then, over here somewhere, we got some K&N spray. Somewhere in here. Too much stuff. Too much stuff. I know I got some up here somewhere. Yeah, it's up there. It's up there somewhere. I'll find it. It's there. You don't use much of that stuff. Then we'll give it a light fogging of that. And put her back on. I'll have to put the phone down so I can dig with both hands. Oh, I think I see it. I see something back there. Oh, that's belt. It's back here. I'll find it. I'll get it on. I'll show you when we're done. Okay. You're the dog. You're the man. We'll let you in again. I'll see you on the other side, okay? There you go, buddy. I'll see you on the other side. Oh, well. Got to take care of your dog. Yeah, here's my oil treatment. This is a light fog on that. On the outside of it, I'll show you, we got her out here drying by the barn. Got her hanging on the old poop scooper right there. She gonna dry out, nice and warm. Look at that. Look through picking through that. Look through picking through there. That's my woman right there. She's out here too. That's why Hank is going in circles. He's confused. So anyway, okay, we'll put her together. I'll show you in the next clip. I expect Hank to come around that corner any minute. All right, let's see how dirty this water was. I ain't dumping that down my sink, that's for sure. But you can tell that was dirty. Yep, she needed cleaned. Let's see if we can get the suds out. I'm sure all the stuff's already come out. That's why I like the K&N filters. You can clean them out. Look at all the bugs and crap that was in there. All right, we're still drying. I'm still going in circles with my dog. I got a question for you guys. Harbor Freight bucket. I had to pay $4, $5, $6, $7, whatever it was. I bought that bucket. It's got their name on it. Why? I got a bunch of buckets in here. We got one in there from the hardware store. We got some from Lowe's. We got some from Home Depot. We had to pay for every one of them. But we're sponsoring them. I mean, they got their name on there. They're getting their name out. Hey, everybody, look at Harbor Freight. There's the bucket. Hey, I remember Harbor Freight. Let's go there. Well, why are we doing that? Why are we doing it for Harley-Davidson? My mentor, he's been gone 30 years now. He always told me, he said, I ain't buying nothing with Harley-Davidson's name on it unless they pay for it. I'm not sponsoring their stores. And that's what we're doing, guys, by buying these t-shirts. I'm buying these pins, buying these little tokens. I'm guilty. I bought the shirts. I got 500 of these shirts or more. The wife says a lot more, and she says no more for me. I'm guilty of that. But I think it's greed. It's American greed. That's what runs America. Is American greed. Well, I'm thinking if we stop buying their damn T-shirts, stop buying their pins, stop buying whatever, and said, hey, you should be giving that away, at least the pins or the little tokens, because that shows you've been there, that shows you support them. But if you're wearing a T-shirt, you're advertising for them. You should be getting paid to be advertised, don't you think? People pay to advertise on my YouTube channel. Think about it, guys. You know where I'm going real soon. We'll see you out there. Matter of fact, we'll be in Blackhawk on the 24th of July. And in Hog Heaven on, I think we're moving over there on the 5th. But let's get back to the filter. Well, we got this on, fogged it on, wiped off all the stuff on. You don't need it out here, so when you got out there, we wiped all that off. Still watching that old RAThbun guy up there on the internet. Boy, he's got a lot of Sturgis videos. Now we're going to put it back on, and that'll be it. For you didn't, for you that did not know, these are the three screws you take off if you count that. And that whole air filter come off, guys. Them are easy to change. You don't need to pay nobody to do that. Just take your big bolt off, like on mine. I made my own air cleaner here. This is off of a Knucklehead. That bolt goes right in there like that. So you take that big bolt off. And then you can take off them three little bolts. And your air filter comes right off. You can replace it or put a K&N on it or just replace it with a paper one. So that's about it there. I'll button it up and you can take a look. All right, there's what she looks like. I'll grab me some cleaner and clean off all the finger prints of everything, and that'll be done. Yeah, that came off of an old Knucklehead. It used to go all the way back here, but I didn't want it to cover the whole thing because it fits pretty snugly, so I just cut it off to right here so it's got good air filtration going in there. And this keeps the rain off of it out here. Works good. You can make your own air filters. It ain't a big thing. None of this is a big thing unless you get one of those space age new ones. Oh, I don't. From what I hear, you can't do nothing on those. That's why I like my '09. All right, that's going to be the end of this one. Hope you found it informational. Maybe comical. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. How you clean your air filter?
Thanks for watching our Hog Shed videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube and Patreon channels for more informational content.